This is that vstar I'm working on. That was actually the fuel pump. So I've never worked on one of these before. I'm thinking that was probably supposed to be a vent line. Come to find out, it probably wasn't even the carburetors on this as the customer thought. If the fuel was blowing, riding, it would have blew all over that, which is making a lot of sense. So I've got fuel leaking. Bike does run now, but obviously we got another issue. That fuel pump wasn't coming on at all earlier. So I will call the customer and find out what we need to do. This sucks, trying to get something finished.